Hello guys, welcome to Traders Guide Live guys. This is an introduction video of my all the indicators, right? From next, this is the whole playlist. This is first introduction video. In that you can will get how my indicator works in real world solution. कैसे how what are the real world problems you are facing, how you can solve using my indicators, right? So let's start with the session. This is my first slide, trading problem solution provider, that I believe mostly I can provide you more than even 85 to 90% accuracy on your current trade, right? So let's move to the next slide. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Akash Sharma. I'm a professional trader. I'm mainly a crypto trader, right? So I mainly do a long-term investment as well as intraday, some in some cases positional trading as well, right? So I hope sorry guys. Fine. So I do mostly R&D stuff. I'm a management guy and also from computer background. So I have that knowledge to improve the Pine script development. In some cases, I need some extra help. I hire a Pine script developer for my improving my indicators accuracy and all. So I can assure you almost maximum up to 90% plus accuracy. I can assure you using my indicators for manual trading only, right? So what it helps mainly that provide you the buy sell signal. My another indicator which you can use for setting the targets: after buy where you have to exit, after sell where you have to exit, after sell I mean sorting where you have to exit, right? You can use for all markets, even I can say crypto, forex, intraday, crypto, forex, I can say index, right? Stocks, commodity, all indicators works on all the markets, all the charts which are provided on Tradingview. Okay, let's move next. Let's see one by one what problems, mainly real world problems, I have mostly pointed out. So first is are you a big trader or a small trader? Frustrating. Mostly I'm getting lots of leads for for same first point only. Mostly all traders are frustrated, or they lose lots of money in their specific trades. One of my guy has lose almost 9 lakh rupees in the same day. So what, how you can solve this problem, we'll discuss. So next is like, does the stop loss hit frequently? You do not know how to keep, where to keep the stop losses, I will be guiding you how to do that. Next is are you tried of analyzing market, finding where to take entry and exit? So mainly like beginners, this is for beginners. Mainly they are beginners and they don't know how to analyze the market, how to do technical analysis, fundamental analysis stuff, right? So that I'll be helping you how you can improve that. Next is like, is a loss more than your earn profit? कई लोगों का क्या होता है, like mainly they do the trading, they do profit as well, they do loss as well, but average if you check, there will be higher loss ratio and compared to your profit. So are you wasting time in like using free indicators? There are lots of free indicators you can get in YouTube channels, you can get in whole trading view account. In TradingView there are free indicators that also you can use, right? So are you using the, in some cases they are lagging. I'm not sure, I cannot assure you all indicators work 100%. Mostly all indicators have some drawbacks. So mainly I have tested my all indicators comes with multiple confirmation. We can discuss in solution part. So are you taking your free indicators, using free indicators, tips, calls, and getting no results? Many of the people take tips from the market, but they do not specific. If you get a buy call message on WhatsApp like 9:30, you have to buy. If you are viewing a message at 11, then mostly the trade has gone. You can't after that, if you are saying like I got a loss, so you have to take quick decision. If you are not taking quick decision, so you can't you know earn more. Mostly the loss ratio will be high. So like even another thing last, mostly I can say 70 to 80% traders get trapped into sideways market. So how to detect sideways market, how you can trade in sideways market, that we'll be discussing in the next solution part. So these are the solutions what I have identified. So our special indicators, like I have total collection of my indicators. I have previously I had 5. After that I have added one another indicator, and now I'm adding one another indicator. Total 7 indicators collection I have, right? So that mainly help you to buy, sell, where to enter the trade, where to exit the trade, where you can set the targets, helps you to find positive trend as well as negative trend. Like that, my mostly indicators will help you to define the trend, positive, bearish, bullish trend, as well as where you have to check for the sideways range bound market, how you can track that. My indicator provide my lots of indicator, TG1, TG4, mostly all the indicators are providing trend and I can say sideways market tracking and all. Even you can use free indicator ADX also, which I have mentioned in my demo videos. You can refer that, right? So it's easy to understand. TradingView platform is very beginner friendly, right? Even a small kid can use whole TradingView account and using my indicators. I can say it's that friendly, that understandable, and that logical, clear. If you follow my instruction, there I can assure you, you can get minimum 85% plus accuracy. Minimum, I say. Maximum, you can, if you are good in somewhat technicals, you can, if you are easily identifying the sideways market, then you can, reduce your loss ratio. Okay, so I do provide a demo, but firstly, I mainly prefer to mostly all my viewers to prefer the videos first. If you have any doubts in specific video, then and then only we see it live on the live market on any desk, and then I explain how all my indicators works. Mostly I do not explain, I just give him access for backtesting the specific data. Mostly in my indicators also I mainly backtest 1 month data also. You can almost cross check how my indicators works, right? So next, my whole package comes with total 7 indicators collection, right? And stock selection process I have not mentioned over here. I do provide a stock selection process that mainly work for stocks. I've tried for index, I've tried for forex and crypto, but it's not performing well in that. But mostly for stocks, I can say 95% performance you will be getting on my win ratio on specific stocks. If you select 10 stocks in the morning, almost 9 stocks will perform very well, minimum 1% to maximum 7 to 8 to 9% they are moving, right? Specific stocks, whatever you select in the morning, you can refer my video, you will get in the description part, right? And all my indicators having different strategies, different time frame you can use for mostly all the time frame you can use, all having different strategies, right? And again, I'm saying all my indicator works on crypto, forex, index, commodity. Crypto spelling is wrong actually. It's my developer mistake. Fine, stocks, index, crypto, forex you can use for commodity as well, right? And again, my all indicators you can use on free trading view account. Many of the guys are having like issues. They are asking like, will your indicator work on free trading view account or not? Many of the questions are. So I mainly, you can refer my demo videos. I mainly use free trading view account. I do have another premium account, but that I mainly use for live trading. But for free stuff for making the videos, I use mainly free trading account, right? So even you can refer my website. I have my website named tradersguide.live. You can refer my website, right? And if you still any confusion, you can WhatsApp me on my number. From the scrolling text you will get my number. You can WhatsApp me or call anytime on my number, right? Let me clear some whatever points. Okay, so many of the guys also say that Villier indicator mainly like in free trading view account there is like one point that you can use minimum 3 indicators. So in mobile if you're using you can use 3 indicators. If you're using trading via system or laptop you can use multiple indicators opening different tabs. And one of the video which I'll be sharing in the description that will help you to divide your screen into 4 parts, 2 parts. That TradingView premium feature that provides like dividing the screen into 4 parts. I use mainly Vivaldi browser. You can mostly refer my videos. I use Vivaldi browser for that stuff only for dividing the screens. Okay. That video description I'll be adding, and mostly lots of the like ads are coming in the free trading account. So how to remove that ad, that video also I'll be adding in the uh, description part. You can refer from that. So it's beginner friendly, so no like any technical knowledge required, but again, once you buy my indicator, I mainly recommend to you to do minimum 2 to 3 days paper trading, and then you can start the live trading. Okay. And next, just a second. Okay, mostly like I have clear all the doubts in this. Let me, no technical skills required. I already told you. See, you'll get support from my end, but you do have to do some homework, right? I do you provide support. I do provide training. I do provide. You can call me anytime, but you can you have to do focus on the learning part, as well as I will also help you to get it better, the trading part. Okay, so mostly uh, think mostly all your doubts are being clear. For the introduction part, you'll get all separate indicator video in the description. You can find the demo view playlist, or you can continue to the video part to get more and more accuracy and all your problem solving, using how to use indicators and all stuff I've discussed in specific videos, so you can refer that. So these are the indicators. I will not discuss in detail. So TGLGO 1, what are their features? These details you can get from my website. This is for TG2. This is for TG3. You can get all details from my website, tradersguide.live. This is my website. This is for TG4, TG5, TG6, TG7. This is for asset tracker, which I was discussing. One-to-one trading I provide, but that will be on extra cost. Depends on criteria and time availability. If I have hodgepodge time, so depends. Like depends on customer as well, right? So mainly initial I provide one-to-one trading. Whenever you purchase my indicator, I will be sharing you one video guide, how from starter guide to ender, how to use my specific indicator in mobile as well as computer. That all that will help you for clearing all your doubts how to use. For beginner, mainly this is for beginner, right? Even expert or intermediate, they know how to select the indicators, how to apply on the chart and everything, right? So this is for beginner only. For beginner purpose only, one-to-one trading I'm providing. If you are expert or pro, I mostly you do not require any training, but still you need any back testing, you can come online. We can guide you on the same, right? Before that, I mainly recommend to you to refer all the demo videos. Okay, fine. Trade with confidence. I can assure you, once you subscribe to my package, you can trade with confidence. You can improve your accuracy up to 90%. Up to 90%, I can say 85 to 90%. You can improve your accuracy from your current level, right? 24/7 support you will be getting whenever you need my help, advice, support, guidance. I am here for you only, right? So you can call. You can find my number in the description, scrolling bar, right? This is my website, tradersguide.live. You can refer my website. If you have any confusion, if you want details of each indicators, you can in text format you can find on my website. Even there is a blog section. You can refer that Vivaldi browser videos and how to remove ads videos from same. And this is my direct contact number. You can contact via WhatsApp or via call anytime. Mainly in working hours, that will be fine. Okay, so I hope mostly in introduction I have covered all this stuff, and if, for clearing the, I can say, next level, you can sorry guys.